Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this 66 plate Suzuki Swift SZ3 4x4 with 24,039 miles on the clock. The car's finished in superior white, comes with alloys and side mouldings for protection of the doors. It's a two-owner car that was originally sold by us, and it's been looked after by our own factory trained technicians. I've had a good look around the car inside and out, and the bodywork is in superb condition, as are the alloys. This car has low running costs and a low insurance group to keep the cost down. In fact, according to Motor Check, it costs £49 to fill the tank and gives a return of around 475 miles. The intelligent four-wheel drive system will provide you with the added peace of mind during winter months, and is automatically engaged when needed. Let's have a look inside the car. So when you open the door, you're greeted with a spacious interior finished in black cloth. Inside the cabin, you've got air conditioning, a radio and CD player, 5-speed manual gearbox, and looking to the steering wheel on the left hand side, you've got your volume buttons and your channel skip buttons. Further down on the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth telephone answering and hang up buttons. All in all, a really nice example of a Suzuki Swift 4x4. I do not anticipate this car being here very long, so if you'd like to give us a call and have a test drive, by all means do so. It's 0113 271 2288. Thank you very much for watching the video.